What are you doing? You trying to eat the giraffe? Huh? Say hi. Gonna talk? Nothing? Oh, look at your feeties. You kicking them? No? Say hi, Daddy. Say ah. You're not gonna talk? Every time I turn this camera on, all you do is get quiet. Hi. Say hi, Daddy. I miss you. Dude, look at my hair. I look like Kramer from Seinfeld. I look like a weirdo. Huh? No? Wanna get the cow? The moo? The moo. Aww. You think that's funny? Wanna shake your belly? Shake your belly, shake your belly, shake your belly, shake your belly. No? Yeah, it doesn't make her stop crying anymore. That just makes her happy. Ah! Huh. See, look at my double chin, Daddy. It looks just like yours. Yeah. He's silly. He laughed. She had cereal today in her formula for the first time, and she sucked it down. And now her poops are all better. No more runny poops. Huh? So I've been pooping like you too, Daddy. Look at my unibrow. Ooh. Oh, Mama's bored. Okay. Come here. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Say we love you. Mwah. Your turn. Look over here at the camera. Say mwah. I don't even know if we're getting it, but we'll try. Love you.